of passion always makes a good start for any career. And they also kind of help in, dealing with the blues. Ooh, yang taray! Asul talaga! On cue! Ang galing! Thank you. Hindi naman ako nagiging ganong kalungkot talaga, no? Pero I have to admit that I've also learned a thing or two about headache, heartache, heartburn. Alam niyo na yon, mga chismoso kayo eh. Hindi ba? Pero sa bawat po tao na na-meet ko along the way, talaga pong na-appreciate ko po ang world, the colorful world of people. Ika nga. At, saan na ba ako? At although marami pong nag-warn sa akin na, there are only a few friends you can trust here in this business, I find that that's not always true. Actually, ako po, I've been very, very blessed with insane and colorful and insane partnership. And a lot of these partnership, actually, pinagkakakitaan po talaga namin. And that's why there's a lot of color greens in there. O kung yung pera natin, kulay blue pa rin. But I also have to say that meron din po talagang mga partnership na hindi po masyadong magandang kinakalabasan. And that's where the color blue appears. The color blue appears. Hello, people! Blue! Like, in this millennium? Where is my blue? Okay, there it is. Thank you. If you love me, like you tell me, just be careful with my heart. You can take it, just don't break it, or my world will fall apart. You are my burnt romance, and I'm willing to take a chance. Let the light through and still be loving you. I will be true to you. Just a promise from you will do. From the very start, please be careful with my heart.
I couldn't find the words then, so let me say them now. I'm still in love with you.
Living life without you is more than I can breathe. Hold me close forever.
I will be there for you.
I will be there. I will always love you. I will always stay true next
I wonder why.
Why did you go away and left me all alone? No words can say. My love, please stay. You and I, we have a moment left to share.
You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. We don't need no other love. Now I know that we can have it all forever. Dating pag-ingat na muli sa'yo. Tumaasa sa dating nagdaramang laan sa'yo. Wala nang magwakas, tapusin ang lahat. Nalito ng nagmamahal marinig. Paano ka ba maibabalik ang damdamin mo? Bakit di nagtatago? Bakit tuloy nagkalayo? Bakit mayroon bang nadarama ngayong hindi na tayong dalawa? Bakit nagwawakas pag-ibig na wagas? Paano ba mangyari na ibigin pa?
Sa mundong saktan pansin, luha sa bawat halik, ay wala na raw pag-ibig.
Ngunit sa kislap ng iyong mata, nababasa kong may